Hello everyone. So this tutorial is second part of Soft Baladi choreography for beginners. In this part, we'll focus on traveling steps. So we'll be working on return step, step forward and back, return step. We'll be working on twist walk, also Egyptian walk, and we'll add some shimmies here and some shoulder rolls. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. So as you remember, we finished previous part with shimmy, right? So right after we finish with the shimmy, we'll start our return step on the right side. So let's go. With your right leg, step forward and step back, and don't forget to engage your hip. So every time you step forward and step back, you lift your heel slightly. And this movement comes from your knee, more from your knee. And you can also know that, I lift my heel off the floor, so that helps lifting heel as well. So let's go. And forward, back, 3 and 4. Next one is going to do twist walk to the right. When you do twist walk to the right, you will bring your right leg forward, left leg at the back. You will go up into half releve, and then we will start shifting our body weight to the right and left, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. And this is called twist walk because we will be twisting our hip as well. So you'll be engaging your hips and doing the twist. But then this one, your twist will come on the right side more than on the right or on the left side. So the working hip is the right hip. Okay, so let's bring the right forward and try to do twist here. Right, right, right. So you will be twisting forward more, and the working hip, the active hip here is going to be the right side. So now let's go up into releve and start our twist walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we'll change and do the same thing on the left side. We start with return step, left leg forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. And then we do twist on the left side, so you will bring your left leg forward, and we go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, one more time. 4, 3, 2, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, and twist. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do shimmy to relax. Next one that we will cover in this choreography is Egyptian walk. So we'll start traveling to the right. Therefore, your right leg is going to be flat on the floor. Left leg, you will lift your heel off the floor, and you will keep this position of your feet at all times when you travel to the right. So you will not change the position of the feet. You will keep position of the feet the same. As you do the step, you will notice that because your heel is lifted here and your knee is bent here, you will be able to lift this hip up and down, up and down, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And if it's hard for you, don't think too much about lifting your hip or working with your knee right now. You just put your feet into this position, right flat, left heel up, and your left toe is at your right heel. Okay, so you do not bring it forward, you keep it at the back. Keeping this position of your feet, you will travel to the right. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And you know, your body will do the work. You don't have to think too much. If you keep your feet in the correct position and do the steps, that's the only thing you have to do. your hip will go up and down because of position of your knee and heel. So now we travel to the left. Therefore, your left leg is flat on the floor, left foot flat on the floor, right one, heel is up, and you keep the feet in this position, right? So right leg is a little at the back, not too much behind, not at the front, but here, right next to the left heel. And we travel to the left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we do this traveling step, we can go slow or fast. Slow, 2, 3, 4, fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This side. Slow, 2, 3, 4, fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you go. One more time, let's go over these steps, and I will put the full choreography together from the very beginning. And don't forget to watch the first part, of course, before doing this part. So let's go again. 4, 3, 2, go. Step forward, step back. Step forward, step back. Step forward, step back. Step forward, step back, and twist, 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 change. Step forward, step back. Step forward, step back. Step forward, step back. Step forward, step back, and twist, 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 twist. Let's do shimmy. And now next one is Egyptian walk. We will start slowly. When we start slowly, our hands will go into this position. You travel to the right, your hands go to the right. Both hands, left hand and right hand go to the right. So let's go. And you kind of want to see your left hip. So you can look back or you can look towards the audience, up to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, or slow, and then faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. We're going to the left. Left leg flat. Right heel up. Hands to the left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you go. So we'll add some shoulder rolls in between and then shimmy. And we already worked on our hip circles and other moves that are used in the first part of choreography. So let's put it all together with music. Ready? And let's go. Circle. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One step. 1, 2, 3, 4. And circle. this choreography. Music is available online. It's called Soft Baladi, and composer's name is Nikolas Kirlis. He has a lot of good quality music. Check him out. And this, again, I'm reminding that this choreography is for beginners to practice essential belly dancing technique and the moves that we used in this choreography. Okay, and of course, don't forget about your posture, about position of your hands, of relaxing your shoulders, position of your head, and add a little bit of, artistic stuff. When, for example, when you take your leg back, you can look a little back. When you bring it forward, look forward. So little tips like this, okay? Enjoy practicing.